Hi everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, and today I'm going to show you how to wire a single pole switch feeding the switch box hot. We've got power coming into the switch box with 12-2. We've got power leaving the switch box going to our light. Okay, this is an octagon box. This is a 4x4 square junction box, 2 1/8 inch deep. I always get deep ones because box fill, and I just like the deep ones. You know what I mean? They are a little more expensive, but that's just what I get, because with this number 12, you know, you try to fold that up in there. So what we've got here is we've got the ground wire coming from here. It's just looped around the ground screw in the back of the box here. And we're going to loop the other one. We're going to loop the ground wire for the fixture, light fixture. And I'm going to use a 5/16 magnetic nut driver. Okay. I'm going to put an orange wire nut on there. Now our fixture box is done. Okay. Now what we're going to do here now is we're going to work on our light. Okay. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to cut this, and now I'm going to put on a push connect. Okay. See, you can take them off. Alright, now I'm going to take a piece of number 12 ground wire. And I'm just going to push it up in there. Alright. So now that that's all done, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my neutral wires. Okay, and I'm going to put a connector on them. And I think what I'm going to do here instead is I'm going to do a receptacle and a switch. Yeah, I'm going to do a receptacle and a switch. So, you know what? I do not have any 2-gang mud rings. Just do this right here. I'm going to do one of these right here, which is a switch receptacle, which will fit in a 1-gang mud ring. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do there. So, what I'm going to do now... Oh, gosh. Alright, so, yeah. So, what we've got is we've got our neutrals, alright, in the switch box here, alright. And what I'm going to do here... What I'm going to do here, I'm just going to take a piece of number 12. Okay. Alright, there's that. Okay, so, next thing I have to do here is I gotta cut these wires back, and that'll be in part 2, so, alright, so the next video will be part 2. Thank you for watching.